You searched how to buy shares of Metsa Board Oyj, and this guide will show the practical steps to locate Metsa.HE. Metsa Board Oyj produces premium paperboard and sustainable packaging, is listed on CBOE EU under the ticker Metsa.HE, and this content is educational, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and we use eToro as an example to illustrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker Metsa.HE to find the listing. Make sure the search result matches Metsa Board Oyj on CBOE EU before you proceed. Open the stock page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the company name, exchange, and ticker Metsa.HE are the correct asset. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review and confirm the order details. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or set as a limit, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once the order is executed, you will see your Metsa board position in your portfolio. Soft call to action. The eToro link is available in the description if you want to explore the platform.